There. Hi, it's me, Mary Kay. I'm back. Part two. So I got this. This is a journal from Hither and Yon. I'm going to put this aside here because I was working on this the last time I was on video. So let me put this back in here and put this over here. Okay. So Hither and Yon, every month she gives her customers a kit to make a journal. And they're usually small journals like this. And so this is my version of her journal or her kit. And so I made a little pocket there with the printables. And then this was something that my friend gave me. It's a tag that you can write on, so writing space. Then I put some of my music paper and my ledger paper in, and my lace. And then I had a revised stamp from the office, from an office. I bought it from a garage sale. And then this is some more of the printable. And then I put little tabs on with the music paper. And oh, this is glued. Let me see here. Oops, there we go. And then I made another pocket. You know, the thing is when you have something this size, it makes great pockets. Oh, there's that word. Let's get them all out. Okay. So this is, see what that is? And I just put that on that printable on there. And then there's a little card here, and I need to get a tag for that, and I will. And then there's a little saying that she had with the kit. So we'll put that back in there. And then my friend, she made these. They're like, she took the baseball card holders and she made them into a little book. So I put that in there. And then this is a little paper clip I had. Oh, and I had a leaf and I stamped all around it. And it was not a real leaf, but I stamped all around it and it came out with that shape. So I thought, oh, that's a good page. And then some writing paper, another little tab, another little printable. And I never print the other side because you can write on the other side. And another little pocket. Actually, this is a pocket, but look, it's a hidden gem. You open this little thing up and there's writing space. So that's, and this is one of those whale tails. I just folded it in half and made it into something to hold the page. So let me see here, go a little quicker. All right, so then this is Hello Autumn and just some tickets. And this is this is a paper clip that's holding a book. And those are some things from my stash in the kitty. We'll just tuck that back up in there. I think my friend Sonia made this clip too. And then there's that. And I can clip something under there, but I haven't. And then this is another little book I made out of the printables. And this right here, oh, I must have glued it. I was going to say, I had it as a tuck right there, but it just kept getting in the way, so I stopped it. And then there's another printable side, and more papers, more printable, and little tabs from the printable, and from the kit, I should say. And this is a stamp, and another printable, and then more of my papers that I've collected over the years, and the printable. And then this was a one lady was making these on a bigger journal, but I wanted to do this on the little journal, so I just, and there's a tuck spot there, and then there's a tuck spot under here. So there's a pocket there, and a pocket there, and then a tuck spot there. So This says Welcome Fall. So I made that from somebody's video. I don't know. I don't remember who it was. Another printable page. And then I made this years ago. And this is a printable. And this is a printable. And then this is paper that I had. So you just put the little tag in the tuck. And put these little tags in behind that tuck. And then here's another file folder with writing space. And this I'm going to show on Hither and Yon because I was supposed to show it like last month and I didn't. But it's still autumn, so I'm not late. And then there's another printable. And you can basically see what things are. Oh, and this is a little clip I made with the printable and then these little birds in the clip. And that's a writing space. And my friend, she writes all over the numbers and everything. So I figured, you know, I could do that. And then this is a belly band, I think. No, it's a pocket. So there is a little book in here. So when you get a journal from me, you don't just get one journal. You get lots. So there's supposed to be a tag in here. I haven't gotten one in there yet. And then there's a little printable. And here's another. This is a printable from last year. It was a tag, but I cut it off just to have the girl because I thought she was cute. More stamping. And then these are, I think these are from last year too, from somebody's free printable. And then another pocket. I think this is a printable, not one of my stash. Because that's the second time I've seen that and it has this on it. And I don't think most music papers have that. Okay, so then this is another little spot. It's like a little tuck spot, crunching leaves, it says. But you just put your little notepad in there, and then you can write on the notepad. And then when you're done with the notepad, if you don't put it back in there, you got the words there. You can always put words on this too. And there's that. And then here's another one of these tucked in there. And here's a tag in a pocket and a doily. And this doily I just distressed it basically. And here's a pocket tag and another tuck spot with a journal card and a tag. Oh, this is my favorite one. I love this little teacup. And I put these two little teacups on a file folder. And this one, I made it a tag, and that was done on a flashcard. Oh, and look at this. So this is a tuck here. That's a journaling card. I'm going to get a drink of my coffee. Nice little journaling card. My husband is home because he had an accident at work. So I told him, I says, I'm going to make a video, but I didn't tell him I was going to make 2 videos. So hopefully he doesn't come in. That's another doily. And look at that beautiful sunflower. Sorry. Oh my goodness. And then another little piece of lace. And then this is Nita Birdie, but it's a flip-up pocket. And there's a little cute little thing there. And a little tuck in here. Excuse me. And this, sorry, has extra journaling space. So it goes like this. And then we just tuck that back up in there. I love hidden tucks. Oh, sorry. I found another hidden tuck right here. Oh my goodness. And then there's a crow with the owls. And little raccoons on a crisp autumn air. And in the back, some more raccoons. And the trees. Another leaf. And just tuck that right in there. I gotta put little tassels on them. There's a few little things I need to do on here. Oh, and this was a sticker from another thing, so I just set her on there. Put her feet on there. And then here's a Cozy Fires, it says. And it's perfect for this. And then one of my extra pages. And then this is a lantern. And here's a scarecrow. That's from last year, I think. And then this one. And this one folds out like this. It has a beautiful fox in it. See that beautiful fox in there? And then this has some tuck stuff in there. And then this folds back over like this. And it is open at the top if you wanted to put more stuff in there. And then there's the I didn't get that one out. This is another pocket with a leaf. And then the trees that the leaf probably fell from. And then we got one more signature left. And sometimes I don't do a lot in the last signature, so I may have to come back to this and add some more. So here's a little tuck here. And then this is a, a Rolodex card. And then I made the Rolodex card a pocket. And then on the back of that, you have journaling space. So that's kind of cool. And these crows, I think they came from another place where I do printables on Facebook. There's a lot of groups that give free printables. And then this my friend sent me, and then I had that from something. And this is from a school book. And then that's the last page. And usually I put a pocket in the last page, but this time I thought, nah, I'm not going to do that. And so there's where I'm at, and that's the front cover. And I probably could embellish this a little bit more, but I'm not ready to do that yet. So I hope you enjoyed my fall journal, and thank you, Hither and Yon, for the kit. Have a blessed day, everybody. Bye. It's Mary Kay.